How to change Windows 11 user folder name. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, you can easily use the Registry Editor. For that, go to the Start menu at bottom left corner, right click on it and here you can easily select Run. Now type in RVC Edit and click on OK button. Click Yes. And once it gets open, you can easily first close all of this folder and access the normal section. And after you close it, you need to locate H key local machine and expand it. Then you need to navigate to software and expand the folder. Here you need to locate Microsoft and expand the folder. You need to scroll down and look for Windows NT and expand the folder again. Now look for the current version and you need to check for the profile list. And once you locate it in the profile list, you can easily get these several folders. So you need to click on each one and then you can easily look for the profile match path in order to find your user folder. And after that, you need to find yours and right click on particular uh, profile image path and select modify option. Now here you can easily change the folder name in the path to your design name and then click on OK button. Be careful while editing the registry. Incorrect changes can cause system issues. If you're unsure, you can make a backup first. So this was the first method. The second way is simply you can use the computer management. Go to the search icon at bottom left corner of your screen and type in computer management and then click on open button. On this computer management section, you need to expand the local users and groups and then click on users. Right click on your username and you simply need to select rename button. Here you got the option to rename. Simply you can change it to the name you wanna change and hit the enter button. And with that, you need to restart your computer after changing the username using either method. So with that, you will successfully change the Windows 11 user folder name and I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.